Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method translate. In Python, the translate method returns a copy of the specified string where each character has been mapped through the given translation table. The table must implement lookup or indexing by getItem, for instance, a dictionary or list, mapping Unicode ordinals to Unicode ordinals, strings, or none. If this operation raises lookup error, the character is left untouched and characters mapped to none are deleted. The syntax here for the method is string underscore object followed by dot translate and a table, translation table. So for the string method translate, there's one required parameter, which is the translation table to be used. So we'll start here by creating a dictionary. So create a dictionary, create the variable dict underscore map, which equals to the mapping for the key P to the value C and lowercase t to uppercase T, as well as lowercase o to uppercase O. And then we'll create an empty string. And then we'll print here to see the translation table. So empty string dot make trans dict underscore map. And we can see here that this is the mapping to each of the ordinals. So P is mapped to the Unicode ordinal 80, lowercase t is 116, and lowercase o is 111. So this returns a mapping of each key letter to its Unicode ordinal / decimal. And we'll start here with a manual translation table for translating. So this is the letter and each of their corresponding Unicode decimals that we'll work with, and we'll create a Unicode ordinal mapping dictionary, create a variable Unicode underscore ord dict, which equals to 116 to 80 and 110 to 116. So this is the mapping for the letter lowercase t to uppercase P, and then lowercase n has the value for lowercase t. So the string that will translate is for translate underscore str variable equals to string ton. So this is a string to be translated, and we'll print translated string translate underscore str dot translate using the Unicode ord dictionary. We'll return this here as output. We can see that the word ton has now been translated to the word pot. Right, so this returns a translate string by changing letters t to uppercase P and lowercase n to lowercase t for the word pot. And so this is using a manual translation table. We can also use a method, so make trans. I've created a video separately for the make trans method. So I will suggest watching that first if you haven't already to create a translation table. So we're using make trans method with only X parameter, which needs to be a dictionary. And we'll create a variable translate underscore str, which equals to the string to be translated is hi Python, and the variable t underscore table, which equals to empty underscore str dot make trans. So this is the translation table, and we'll print translation table t underscore table. And so this is a translation table that we're working with, and we'll print translate underscore str, and we'll translate this. So this is now hi Python. And we can also using make trans method with y parameter, which means there needs to be two strings of the same length. So we'll create an f string, which equals to Python, as well as an s string, which equals to Python. with a capital C and capital N, and we'll create a SMT string and second translation table, which equals to SMT string dot make trans for F string followed by SS string, and we'll print the translation table. So this is the second translation table here that we're working with, and we'll print translate underscore string dot translate sec underscore t table, and we'll add a new line. And so this returns hi Python with a capital C and capital N for the translation. And we can also use make trans with the third variable. So with Z parameter, which means there needs to be 3 strings, and we'll create T string equals to Python, and third table, so SMT string dot make trans F string followed by S string, and then T string, and we'll print the translation table. Third table. So this is third translation table that we're working with. So as the third string is Python with the uppercase P, all of the mapping for the value now becomes none. So if we print translate underscore string dot translate third table, this will return just the word hi. So this is how to use the Python string method translate with manual translation table, as well as using the make trans method to translate a string. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.